To use VapCare for inside ET tube suctioning, the following steps must be performed. First, connect the VC filter tube between the oral port of the main control unit and the collection container. Connect the suction tube to the same collection container. And finally connect the suction catheter to the free end of the suction tube. Press the On-Demand button of the main control unit and select the On-Demand Inside ET Tube option, and then press Start. Close the opening at the proximal end of the suction catheter. And slowly insert the catheter inside the ET tube to initiate suctioning. Press the pause button to stop the suction in the device. To change the inside ET tube pressure, press Settings button and select Suction Settings. Now navigate to the inside ET tube pressure, and select the desired pressure. Now press the OK button to save the settings.